Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of our mini-series about Project Closeout, and I'm going to talk about a document called Lessons Learned. So Lessons Learned is basically the knowledge gained during a project, which shows how the project events were addressed or should be addressed in the future with the purpose of improving future performance. What does this mean? It means that the purpose here is to generate a document where you describe what did you learn during this project, but not so much to assign blame. Your objective here is not to say the project did not go well because of this person or that person, but rather is a documentation explaining what are the things that worked well and what advice would you give for future teams working on a similar project. So this is a retrospective look at the project activities. You look into the past and you try to see with a more clear mind what were the things that could have been done better and what were the things that you believe were done well. So this we do at the end of the project, but you can also do it at the end of each phase as a more informal method, or a more formal if you wish, in order to provide feedback or to brainstorm new ideas for the next phase. So in big organizations, you might have to use the lessons learned knowledge database, or a database where you maintain all these records in order for future teams to more easily be able to find information that can help them in their project. So the lesson learned here will have different focus. You're going to focus on 4 main areas: initiation, the planning, execution, and the methodology. And I put here some questions that can help you to define how to write it. So this is something that every team member should do, especially every team member that was part of the core team. And the focus for each one of them is try to identify what were the things that work well and what things should change or did not work well. So as you can see, the lessons learned can be a very valuable document to use when you start your project, because you can see the advice that some other people in previous projects can give you, and so that you don't commit the same mistakes as they did. But for this, you need to manage all this database quite well, obviously, and give it accessibility to project managers. Thank you very much for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next video of this mini-series.